Well, so far the only part we're keeping is that. Everything else, I mean, what, 6 lifters we couldn't even pull out?
Yeah.
Just seized up in there. Now, and of course, we can see the bottom. What do you say, Mike? Toast?
Oh, I'm sure. Now we're going to see if it was a pickup tube or I'm thinking it might have been a pickup tube or the oil pump.
Remember, we got this with no oil pressure, so
We were aware.
we're about to see what the actual damage was. Again, guys, if you don't have oil pressure, don't even if it's low.
Don't run it.
Yeah, don't test your chances.
Because dude drove this with no oil pressure.
Yeah.
Somebody wasn't very bright.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to order new cam and lifters. I mean, I don't know. We'll see how the block is.
We're putting a 6.0 in it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Who
we'll
cares?
see.
It's just a stupid 4.8. All right, drum roll.
Man, that's shiny. Jesus, look at all the material.
Lots of shinies.
That is a lot, dude. Damn. Bet you that's all lifter shit too.
Probably.
Bro, solids.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Score.
Hello.
Look.
Hey, the old dude's good.
Look.
What? Yeah. All right.
That should be a 10.
Yeah.
A 10 and a 2 13s.
Huh?
2 13s. Thirteen.
Just 113?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh shit. I mean, timing chain is new. I might use that one.
Where's the 13?
What do you mean?
I didn't know here. Oh, there it is. He was hiding. Ah,
One more. Yeah.
you said 2.
I did. Drum roll. And faulty oil. Yep, that's the failure right there, guys.
They tried to put frickin'
They doubled it? No way.
They doubled
double fucking gasketed.
see the gasket, boys and girls. That's why there was no
They
oil pressure.
put a new one, but they never took the old one out. No fucking way.
Yes, way. Hey, why?